Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to fix the issue of Pokemon not spawning in Pokemon Go. Let's get started. First, Pokemon will not spawn if your connection is unstable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Make sure you have a strong signal. Next, turn on location services. Open your phone settings, location, and ensure it's enabled. Set it to high accuracy mode for better tracking. Next step is refresh the game map. Open Pokemon Go and rotate the in-game map by swiping around. If Pokemon still don't spawn, try closing and reopening the app. Next, check game server status. Visit the official Pokemon Go server status page or search online to see if the servers are down. If the servers are experiencing issues, you will need to wait for a while. Next, change location. Move to a different area if Pokemon are not spawning. Some locations have fewer Pokemon due to low spawn rates. If the problem persists, update the game. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and check if Pokemon Go needs an update. Download the latest version to fix potential bugs. Then restart your device. Reboot your phone to clear temporary issues that might prevent spawns. Next, avoid spoofing or cheats. If you have used location spoofing or third party apps, your account may be soft banned. Stop using these tools and wait for the ban to lift, usually within a few hours. The last tip is use a lure module or incense. If you are in an area with few spawns, use a lure module at a Pokestop or incense to attract Pokemon to your location. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Pokemon not spawning in Pokemon Go. If this video guide helped, please like, subscribe, and share for more tips and fixes.